Alright, so today is going to be pretty simple. We're going to add in the ability to be able to pick up an object in the world and manipulate it with your hand in VR. So the first object we're going to do is a potion. So you'll be able to pick it up, look at it, and manipulate it in the world and like watch the liquid flow around in the bottle. It's going to be pretty cool. So first, we're going to go to the virtual reality blueprint, and we're going to just copy over their pickup cube. We're going to create a new folder. Call it items. And let's paste that in here. Let's just rename this master item. Now let's make a child blueprint of this and name it master potion. And I'm doing it this way because if we ever wanted to add in like the ability to drink a potion and have it give health to the player, we could add that into the master level of that particular item without having to edit all those on each individual item. So in this case, we're going to create a child blueprint of this and name it health potion. Well, let's just open that up. And the only thing we really need to change in here is the actual static mesh. Because if we go to the original master item, we can see all the grab logic is already done here by Epic for us, which is pretty fantastic. Granted, it's not perfect. It's not going to like clamp our hand to like where it would be on a bottle realistically. It's a very basic grab action, but it works for what we're trying to do right now. So we're going to go to the viewport and we're going to change this to being that particular potion. So what is that named? Let's see. SM Potion Uncommon. Alright. Uncommon. Alright. Let's give it the health one right here. Compile and save that. Now we should be able to take this item and just drag it into the world. Okay, we have some kind of scaling thing going on here. Let's find out what's going on with that. It looks like the original item is scaled to being only 0.2. So let's fix that to be 1. And I'm not sure if that's going to be propagated down or not. It should be. Yeah, it's propagated down. There we go. Alright. And that should be pretty much it for what we need to do for the ability to grab items like this. I'm pretty confident that that's going to work, so let's do it with something else. Let's do it with a gold coin. Let's take this gold coin here. Let's just remember that name, SM Coin Gold 01. Let's go back to our items, and let's just create another master item called Master Misc for miscellaneous. Let's create a child of that and call it gold coin. And let's edit that. Go to the static mesh component and change it to SM_gold coin. And there that is. Alright, let's change the texture back to what it should be. Compile and save. Let's drag one of these into the world as well. Now, if we go into the game now, we should see the ability to pick up an object and manipulate it in the world. So let's try that. Alright, here I am in the game. Let's walk over to our little table here. And the controller's vibrating. So I can pick this up. And look at that. You can see the liquid moving around inside. It's kind of a pale color. But we can take it. We can throw it. Look at that. How cool is that? You know what would be really cool is if we had the ability to break the glass. But that's getting ahead of ourselves. Let's pick up the gold coin. There it is. Look at that. I can actually take it from the other hand as well. It's kind of floating right now, but that's fine. Throw it up. Did I catch it? Nope, didn't catch it. There it is. How cool is that? We can now take our items and look at them in 3D. In VR. That is so cool. Alright. Next up, we're going to want to be able to take all the items in the world and lift them up and look at them like this. Except maybe our rats. We don't want to pick up rats. That's how you get a disease. So as you can see, that's pretty much it for adding the ability to hold things and pick them up and look at them in VR. That being said, there's a lot of items, and I think it would be kind of boring to watch that on video, so I'm going to do all that off video, and the next video will probably just be me going through and picking up all the items and looking at them. Now, we could make some changes to how we're actually holding the items. Like, we could add like a socket, so like if I'm holding a tankard, it grabs it by the handle, but that's a little outside the scope of what I want to do right now. With that being said, thanks for watching. Consider liking and subscribing or watching the rest of the videos to see how the project got to where it's at right now. And I'll see you tomorrow.